Today we are at 7015 Sterling Lane out here in the Westwood phase of Deepwell Ranch in Prescott, Arizona, where this house just hit the market. We're gonna go take a look at it. It is better than new. Even the storm agrees. Shockingly, this house is completely dialed in. So before we go take a look at what the house has to offer, I do want to point out one quick thing. Sterling Lane actually dead ends right here on this cul-de-sac. This house has no neighbors to the left, and there's a nice walking trail that goes through the neighborhood here on the side of the house as well. So let's go inside and let me show you why this house is better than new. This Monarch floor plan by Davidson Homes is one of my favorite in the neighborhood. Give me a second and let me tell you why. First off, it has the great room concept, so you're immediately here in the living room with the fireplace. You've got a double doors going into the den here. Yes, this floor plan has the den option instead of the fourth bedroom option, but it has the French doors for privacy, so if you wanted to use it as a guest room, you absolutely can. This kitchen is absolutely gorgeous and has the perfect upgrades. Let me go over a couple of those with you real quick. One is the stainless steel Farmhouse sink here in the island, and you'll see the chef's quality Frigidaire gallery appliances. So you've got a gas stove here with the range hood there. You actually have the microwave here, and then the stove down below on the wall, and the matching Frigidaire gallery refrigerator. Also, this floor plan, again, I told you I love this floor plan. This pantry is massive. There's enough room in that pantry to store a month's worth of food. Before we finish talking about the kitchen, there is a separate dining area here over on the left, and it's perfect. They actually have it set up for a 6-person table, and it fits great. Before we head over to the master, I do want to talk about this office one more time. It is the size of a normal bedroom. They have it set up as a playroom for their kids, but you can use this for so many different things, including a guest room. Let's go check out the master suite. Welcome to the master suite. So you'll see over here on this side, it is a dual vanity setup. There's a linen shelf system here, a soaking tub over here on your left. There's a walk-in shower here with full glass doors. And this is the master closet, which is currently known as the Cloffice. It's so big in there that they have their clothes, and he's got it set up as an office. Another one of the things I love about this floor plan is that it is a true split plan. So that master suite and bedroom we just looked at was on the side of the house behind you. And here is going to be 2 more bedrooms and a bathroom. So come with me and let's check them out. And just wait, that's not all, folks. There's also a half bathroom here. There's a coat closet here, a spot to put your keys or your hat or whatever you have. You can drop it off right after you come in from the garage here. And then you've got the laundry room. And this isn't any little pass-through laundry room going into the garage. It is a standalone, dedicated room. As you can see by the size, here's the washer and dryer, Maytag side-by-sides. It's got the full cabinets wall-to-wall above that, the matching quartz countertops to the kitchen with a deep bowl sink and cabinets underneath that. So there is so much room in this laundry room for more than just laundry. This garage is rad because it is a 3-car garage and it's also extended. So that means it's longer than your standard garage. It's got plenty of room for all of your toys. I mean, if you got kayaks, you've got a Jeep on 40s, you've got little Jeeps, bikes, and you can still fit a full-size pickup or 2 more cars in here if you wanted to. One of the raddest garages here in Deepwell Ranch. Just look at this. There's room for so many activities. Perfect complement to this home is this large slider door here. So upgraded 4-panel slider, the 2 middle panes slide out and it really lets that outside air in. Also, you have the extended patio over here on the right. So this is a great spot for entertaining, hanging out when it's not raining outside, or even if it is raining outside, you can be here under the covered patio and not be getting wet. So let's talk a little bit about the things that make this house better than new. The main thing being this backyard. Look at this. This is a massive area of turf. It's been 100% professionally landscaped, side to side, front to back in this backyard with a nice gas fireplace upgrade right here. This is a solid block construction with the glass on the inside. Absolutely beautiful and great for entertaining with a little paver patio around it. So you can sit, enjoy the fire and not be in the rocks. Also, this backyard has a gravel or a sand pit back here in the back corner for playing, or if you don't have kids or grandkids, you could turn that into a garden bed. That's a wrap here from the front porch of 7015 Sterling Lane in Prescott, Arizona, specifically in the Westwood community of the Deepwell Ranch greater community. Let's do a quick recap on this house before I let you go. The main things that you need to remember are it's just over 2,300 square feet. It is the Monarch floor plan with the 3-bedroom option plus the den here that's got the double doors for privacy. So it does have a potential 4th bedroom right here in this den. It has the chef's upgrades in the kitchen with quartz countertops, the stainless farmhouse sink, and the chef's appliances, along with that super large pantry. The master suite over here on the right-hand side of the house, if you're looking from the street, has the Cloffice, as we're gonna call it, because the closet's so big, he's using it as an office. It also has a full tub, so it's a soaking tub, a walk-in shower, dual vanities. The toilet has its own privacy closet, and there's linen storage in there as well. On the left side of the house, you have the 2 other bedrooms with the bathroom right in between the 2 of them, accessible all from the hallway. It's not a Jack and Jill, but that bathroom does get a little bit of privacy between those 2 bedrooms. And don't forget, right off of the left side of the front door, you have a half bath. So if you've got guests over and you're entertaining, they can use that bathroom. Also, the laundry room is at the end of that hallway with the nice countertop on the right. That's a matching cabinet and quartz countertop to where you can drop your keys, your hat, you can put your shoes on the ground right there in front of it. It's a nice drop spot as soon as you come in from the garage, which this is a 3-car garage plus the oversized 4-foot extension on the left-hand side. So you can fit a full-size 1500 or 2500 pickup so long as it doesn't have the 8-foot long bed on that truck. If you have any questions at all about this property, Deepwell Ranch, or the Prescott area in general, my name is Brent Wofford. I am a licensed real estate agent here with Keller Williams, based locally out of Prescott, Arizona. All of my contact information is listed below, so please feel free to reach out to me, ask me any questions that you have. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me today, and we did not let the rain stop us. There was a massive thunderstorm that hit right at the beginning of this video. So it's kind of dissipated now, and if you didn't know, we're in the height of monsoon season and it is absolutely stunning outside. If you don't mind a little bit of lightning and a little bit of rain every now and then. Again, thank you so much for taking this tour with me, and I hope you have a rad day.